Cheesy egg and sausage breakfast tacos. These are one of my favorites with the Lumberjack Blackstone breakfast seasoning and finishing it off with a little Cholula chili garlic. You guys are gonna love how easy these are to make on your Blackstone. Let me show you how. Everyone loves making breakfast on the Blackstone, but breakfast tacos are probably one of my favorite things. We'll start off chopping up some fresh cilantro just so that it's ready for the end. Then we'll get to our eggs. I'm gonna crack 8 eggs into a large mixing bowl, then add some milk to that. Give these a whisk, a mix until they're all incorporated. Then we'll take some breakfast sausage. I love the original Bob's ground sausage. We'll get this on medium heat, crumbling it up using my Blackstone scraper until it is cooked through. In the meantime, on the opposite side on low heat, we'll swirl down a little butter, then drop our eggs down slowly, adding a little at a time. Again, using my scraper to keep these eggs in the center, seasoning these with a little salt and black pepper. Then we'll slide these aside, then jump back over to our sausage. This is done, so we'll also slide this aside. With those eggs, I've got this burner off. We'll drop down some flour tortillas onto the griddle, topping it off with a little shredded cheese. This is gonna be the glue to hold our eggs. Then we'll top these off with our scrambled eggs, a big pile of our sausage, a little more cheese all over everything, season it with the Lumberjack breakfast blend, and then a little sprinkle of cilantro. Grab our Blackstone taco rack, then get our tacos in there onto our family style cutting board. We'll go over these with my favorite hot sauce, the Cholula chili garlic, then finishing it off with, of course, a post dust of the Blackstone Lumber Jack Seasoning. These are always one of my favorite go-to breakfasts to make for my kids. It's fast and easy, and I know you guys are gonna love this one. So make it, post a picture, tag me, tag Blackstone. We cannot wait for you to taste these at home.